The Easter story. To explain the Easter story, we have to begin in Bethlehem, when a young mom gave birth to a baby boy named Yeshua, Jesus in English. Host of angels went down from heaven to tell shepherds in the field that a special baby is born. Wise men came from far away to visit the special boy because they said he is the promised king of the Jews. Jews are people from long time ago and they are still here. But how can he be a king when he is just a boy from a poor family? Many days and nights had passed. The baby Yeshua grew up to be an ordinary man in a poor town called Nazareth. One day, like at a switch of a button, Yeshua started to live his life differently around the age of 30 years old. He started teaching about the kingdom of his Father, who he said is in heaven. Heaven is somewhere far away, not on earth. He started doing amazing things like heal the sick, make the blind see, make the lame walk, make food multiply, turn water into wine, control the weather, raise the dead to life. Many people thought he was crazy or a trickster. They wanted to kill him. There are many other people who believed in his teaching and followed him, but there are also many people who did not care at all. On one special day, Yeshua rode on a donkey. The people were happy to see Yeshua and waved palm branches. Meanwhile, Yeshua's friend Judas went to the people who hated him. Judas wanted to earn some money by telling the haters where they can capture Yeshua so they can have him killed. Yeshua had a special dinner called a Passover meal with his friends. This meal is also known as the Last Supper. As Judas told the haters where Yeshua was, he was then arrested. Yeshua had to carry a heavy cross through the streets of Jerusalem as punishment. That time, people who did wrong things were punished on the cross to die. Yeshua died on the cross for teaching about the kingdom of heaven. His friends and family were very sad. Yeshua's body was put into a tomb. A large heavy stone was put in front of the entrance. A tomb is a place for the dead. On the third day, Yeshua's friends went to the tomb. Yeshua's body wasn't there, and the stone had been rolled away. An angel told them that Yeshua had risen from the dead. Yeshua then visited his friends before going to heaven, and he promised he will come again with his army from his kingdom. This is the story behind Easter. There are many people who hate this story, but there are many people who believe and love this story. Still, many others do not care. Happy Easter, everyone!